Good day to all employers. My name is Evelyn Caraig, 37 years old, widow with 12-year-old son. I am a high school graduate from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. I have an 8 years working experience as a full-time nanny in Saudi Arabia with one employer, taking care of four kids ages 0, 1, 4, and 9. My main duty there is waking them up in the morning, preparing their breakfast, and send them to school. And after sending them in school, I do the household chores like cleaning the living room, kitchen, and bathroom. I do also the laundry and ironing the clothes. And in the weekends, I go with them in their sports like badminton, swimming, and ballet dancing. And in the house, if it's weekend, I help them with their assignments, with their homework, play with them like singing, dancing, and doing Roblox. I teach them also how to speak English and be respectful all the time. To my future employer, I promise you that you are hiring a trustworthy, honest, hardworking, and willing to learn nanny. And I promise you also that the safety of the kids and the family is my main priority. Thank you.